Okay, here you go. Here is an ITO 28-inch, what they call PT boat, and I got this as a restoration for a customer, and it was complete, just dirty and rough, didn't work, that kind of thing. And I restored it, of course, repainted it, did everything to it. You'll see the restoration video online, and these are relatively common. They're not that rare, but they are pretty neat. The switch on the deck here, this controls the lights. That's to the left is the lights. To the right is the bell. It's got a buzzer bell up underneath the deck, about right there. And I got it working. Didn't think I was going to be able to. Made a nice stand for it, as you can see. Now the props and the supports and everything are supposed to be painted red, but they're brass. So what I do is I polish them up. I don't see the point. I like to see the brass. You can see all the lights, the stern light, all the lifeboats, anti-aircraft guns, ladders, everything else, the bow light. Everything's original except for the grommets for the windows. All those are new because the old ones were too rusty to mess with. Of course, the ladders are supposed to be painted, but I polished them up because they're brass. Same goes for the supports for the lifeboats, etc. All the aircraft guns are painted like they should be, with the gold underneath, the gray barrels, and the black on the end, of course. Those are the air scoops, the vents. They're supposed to be painted blue, but I like them. Polish them up. Paint the inside red. Life preserver horns, the cleats, railings, everything. Everything is original except for the flagpole, which was missing. I replaced that and with one of my flags. Now, of course, this turns the lights off. Now, this all comes off to show the guts of the boat. Two big horseshoe motors. You'll see those in the restoration video. They were a mess. I restored them. They work like great. They work great. Here's the batteries. How they're all supposed to be oriented. There's the switch. Now these three in the front here, they operate the lights. These two and these 5 are for the motors. Now this has got a 2-speed deal on it. This is low. That's low. Now this is high. Crazy, huh? Yeah, that's the way the boat is. There we go. Anyway, it makes a lot of noise. But that's the boat. Now the bell is way up under the deck. You can barely see the bell ringer right there. It's hit or miss if it works or not. That's a problem. And here's the cabin. Anyway, there it is. It's all nicely restored. It's a nice boat. They're not rare. They're common. And all restored, it's worth about $750, I would think. But you can pick them up a lot cheaper than that in rough shape. Just make sure they got all the fittings and they can be restored like this. And anyway, here it is, 28-inch ITO PT boat. My website, rccraft.com, is down. I'm making a new one. I don't know when that'll be up. Anyway, you can see all my videos at youtube.com and under ITO boats, RC Craft Toy Boats, or Toy Restorations. And I'll put a link with this on there to the collector toy boat page so they can see it too. Anyway, she's all done, ready to go. Thanks again.